Okay, I think I had to stop. It stopped on me, but so now that's how the bobbin is threaded, and it comes. Okay, now you can get a better picture. You want the thread to come up and through this little square, okay? Yeah. Yeah. So now I'm going to put it back into the machine. So I'm going to use this little lever thing, have the thread going, have the thread coming out and going to the right now. Boy, why isn't it? Okay. Yeah, going to the right. Why it's not? I guess that's okay. Okay, so you can see the thread is going to the right now. Okay, so I'm going to take it and I'm going to lift this little lift the lever, and I'm going to drop, sure, not drop my computer, but drop drop the case, and it needs to kind of click in and set in for it to be in right, okay? And it's got to stay